I was struggling with really severe anxiety, and it was starting to affect my relationships and my work life. I felt like I was spiraling. I felt like some days were crippling and I couldn't even function. And it was going on for about 2 years and just getting worse and worse. The most frustrating part was not being in control and feeling like I had no energy. Like I just kept gaining weight. I was eating emotionally. I didn't know how to deal with the anxiety. It was just creating issue after issue. I felt like I was on a roller coaster all the time. And it wasn't like one day I had anxiety, one day I had depression. It was both in one day. Like one moment I was dealing with maybe a panic attack coming on, or the next moment a mental breakdown, like on the verge of tears. So it just was very unpredictable. It made me feel like there wasn't a solution, like it was not gonna end. And that was what actually scared me, and knew like I needed a real solution instead of just trying to make it day by day. That wasn't working. When I saw my test results, I saw right in front of me that I was dealing with a significant issue, and it wasn't just something in my mind, it was right in front of me. And I liked that this program would address me holistically and give me a complete approach rather than a one-size-fits-all approach. I started to notice results within 2 to 3 weeks, and significant results. I was more stable, my mood was not fluctuating as much, and I just felt more me. Seeing that improvement really made me feel hopeful and motivated to keep going, because I felt like I was actually turning the corner. One of my biggest fears is that I was not going to be able to handle the stress of my wedding that was coming up. And I started this program about 3 months to the day, and it helped me tremendously. I had zero stress on the day of. I enjoyed the process. I was very present, and it made the day so much better. I feel amazing today. I feel extremely stable. I have not had a panic attack in months. I feel energized when I wake up. I'm able to actually pursue other dreams and passions that I haven't had the motivation or even thought about in years, and that's been really exciting. I would highly recommend this program to anyone who's struggling with similar issues. It is extremely life-changing, and it changed my life, and I know it can for others. My name is Kate Robinson, and I am a new wife. I am a therapist, and I am a new owner of a picnic business, which I absolutely love and adore, and I'm so excited for the future.